In this video, you're going to take a DVD or a CD and then vanish it just like that. And whenever you want, you can just bring it out back just like that. So, let's get started. Okay guys, this is how this trick is done. Now this trick is very easy to do and it has been performed by Florian Seinwet on the AGT 2020 stage, and he did an amazing job blowing everyone's mind with the big CD routine that he performed. But what I'm going to teach you today here is just the vanish and the production with a normal size DVD or a CD. And here is how you're going to do it. So in order to do it, you're going to hold the CD or the DVD just like this. Your middle finger should be at the center, right around here, and the index finger will be over here, and the thumb will be supporting these two fingers from the back. It will be supporting the CD, it will be supporting these two fingers for holding the CD just like that, and the other two fingers will be curled in just like that. Now what you're going to do is you are going to bring back your middle finger. So when you do that, what happens is at this point the CD is vertical to the ground, but when you bring back the middle finger, the CD turns horizontal to the ground. So at this point, when you bring back the middle finger, the CD actually turns horizontal to the ground, and when that happens, the CD hides itself just like that. And with the correct angle, you need to turn a little bit just like that. With the correct angle, you'll be able to make the CD look like that it has vanished, because the CD hides under the cover of this part of your hand. And when it happens, it will look like that the CD has totally vanished. Now obviously you're not going to do it slowly, because obviously if you do it slowly, the spectators will know where the CD is going and they will know how you obviously vanished it. So what you need to do is you need to do this move quickly in order to make it look like that the CD has vanished right in the blink of an eye. And if you do it quickly, there will be a change in the finger position, because the middle finger is going to pull the CD back, and this finger position might be visible to the spectators. So in order to hide that, all you need to do is you need to come over here with your other hand. You're going to close your fingers and then open it up again, okay? And you're going to do it at this speed, just like that. And at the moment when you close your fingers, at that point you are going to vanish the CD. At that point you're going to bring back your middle finger. So the middle finger goes back when the fingers are in cover. So in full speed it will look somewhat like just like that, okay? Now obviously from this part it is visible, but you're going to perform it tilted just like that, so that nobody will know how the CD has vanished. Of course I'm not at the correct angle right now because I'm teaching, so that's how the CD is actually vanishing. Now there's one more thing. You can show this hand empty because you're not vanishing the CD with this hand, you're just using it to cover the vanish. And with this hand, you are right now in this position. The thumb over here, the middle finger over here, and the CD is right now in this position. But you need to also show this hand empty. But you cannot do that. And for that reason, you need to do a different thing. So what you can do is you can make your spectators feel that this hand is empty. And in order to do that, what you need to do is you need to press the CD against your body using your hand. And then if you let go your fingers, the CD is not going to fall to the ground. It is going to stay right over here. So if you let go the fingers, it will look like that the CD has vanished completely, because you're not holding anything with this hand, because the fingers are free to move. And afterward, when you are going to produce the CD back, all you need to do is you need to come back into the position that you have started. You're going to curl your fingers back just like that, and then you are going to, what you're going to do is you're going to keep this middle finger right under the CD or the DVD, and keep your thumb right over here, and keep this index finger along the edge of the CD. And then what you do is you come over here, you first cover up this part, and then what you do is you press down with over here, which makes the CD pop up just like that. And as the CD pops up, it looks like that the CD appears from inside of this hand. Now there's also one more angle while you're going to perform this. While you're going to bring the CD out, you are not going to do it just like that. You're not going to produce the CD just like that. You're not going to keep the hand straight in front of your spectator's eyes. You need to keep your hand at an angle. So when you do that, it will look like that the CD has been just produced from inside of your hand. Otherwise the CD, a part of the CD will be visible from this part of your hand, which will not look very good. Nobody will care, but it will not look very good, because of course that is not a real looking production. But if you bend your hand a little bit, if you keep your hand at a little bit of angle position, then it will look like that the CD just came out of this hand. So so at first you're going to vanish the CD. I was doing the wrong thing. So you're going to vanish the CD, and then when you're going to bring it out, all you need to do is you need to come over here, and then you're going to do it like this. So the hand is at an angle and the CD just came out of the hand just like that. So you're going to bring the hand at first over here, and then you're going to do the pushing so that the CD produces just like that. And that's how you're going to do this trick, and that's how this is done. So that's it for the tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and peace.